Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use power saver for games on PS5 or how to reduce your PS5 power consumption. Before that, if you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. On the PS5 home screen, navigate to settings, cogwheel icon and select it. In the settings, you need to select system and then select power saving. Now on the right side, navigate to Power Savers for Games. As per the description, this feature reduces your PS5 power consumption while playing supported games by allowing performance to scale back when needed. By default, this feature is off. Here, toggle on, use Power Saver, and you are done. Under this, you will find list of games that you have installed and support Power Saver feature. In my case, Black Ops 7 is the only game that support this feature. Usually if you toggle on this feature, it's applied to all games. But if you have multiple games that support this feature, you can individually toggle on or off this feature for particular game. Apart from this, for the supported games, you will see the power saver icon like this, and you can select and press the option button on the controller and select power saver to visit this setting page directly. And that's all about this feature. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.